Another broadcast from the Stock Analyst Master Station. We're going to get right to the charts for you as it is 12:23, and we want to get you that info for the later half of the afternoon. So let's get right to it. We'll be going into the meta charts on the 4 hour time frame, and let's get right to that analysis. Sam is fired up and ready to go. Say hello to YouTube, Sam. And Sam is breaking it down, breaking it down. That analysis will be coming right to you. Please remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel as we'll be doing this daily. And analyzing and analyzing those candles. And there we go. We got our first. I'm looking at a pullback. Well, I see that the sellers had entered the market at the $70 and $770.25 level. The buyers are coming in at $770.25. I apologize. Sellers are coming in at 783. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. Okay, there we go. Sam's going to continue to speak. Most certainly, Sam. I see the consolidation points at the $770.25. I agree with you, Sam. It could potentially break for that 748.57, but that'd probably be within a week span if it's going to go that way. Or it can consolidate in this area. Either way, 70.25 is key. I would be watching for that $770.25 level. Thank you, Sam. That was an excellent analysis, and we appreciate you this afternoon. Let us go ahead and mute Sam, and let us get you your numbers. As you can see, the handy dandy PDF export. So going up there, we got that going. And we can just hit right there and see if we got our PDF file ready and handy for us. And there is that PDF. And it looks like it is done and ready to be viewed. Let's see what we got. Looks like it might be a little thick there at 36.5 kilobytes. Anybody know anything about text data? They know that it's a substantial amount of information, as text doesn't really take up much space electronically. So let's see what we got here. We can get that thing to go ahead and open for us. It's been a little stubborn, but I think we finally got what we want here. Okay, we probably don't need that guy, or whoever you were trying to be. Get out of here. Get out of here, fella. We just need that nice PDF with those numbers. And it is loading. As I said, it is a wealth of information this time, perhaps, because we let Sam run for a little bit. And there we go. And look at that. These are all our potential options. And as Sam loads everything up, the PDF loads up. This is what we have. We have some call options, some put options. There you go. We'll try to get you all that information. And remember, we post this information to the front of the site. So you will be able to see the same numbers posted on the front side of the site. And there you go. And please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you appreciate the content, we're going to continue to try to get you these trading ideas. Remember, this is in no way, shape, form financial advice, but this is ideas for you to utilize. As always, do your due diligence and research on your own before trading. Remember to assess the risk. We thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. And as usual, stay safe. We appreciate you. Goodbye.